One of the biggest problems facing South Africa, and indeed the whole world, is the socio-economic divide. The fact that a few people live with lots of wealth while many struggle to eat. Typically, the haves are asked to pay more taxes or give more to the poor. The have-nots are almost never asked to participate in resolving the divide. Here is an attempt to do something different, to address this problem using a facilitation methodology known as deep democracy. February 2009. In two of South Africa's well-known townships, Mitchell's Plain in Cape Town and Alexandra in Johannesburg. A 100 people gathered to have a conversation across the socio-economic divide, believing that transformation happens only when the haves and have-nots meet and actually hear each other. Repeating what is said, more loudly and clearly, allowing the debate to deepen.
I hate being called a have.
Stop complaining about the fact that you have so much. You bloody well lucky that you have so much.
Have equals money. That is what I'm hearing. And I'm asking, is that all that have is?
Because not having doesn't mean that we were lost. We know how to love each other. We know to love our community.
Being a have is not just about money, it's about power.
We don't want your money.
For heaven's sake, don't give me money.
We want to put up a soup kitchen. You need a container.
I keep on saying to you, don't give me the handouts. I want the skills. Give me the golden key. I want the key.
I'm in no position to give you any key. It's hard enough trying to keep it onto myself. So sorry guys, not gonna happen.
You don't even know who I am. You just see my skin and you ask right away, up front.
You're racist.
You know what you want. And if there are resources within your society or wherever, you need to go and say, I want that. It's not anybody's responsibility but your own to make sure that you get up in the morning and you get what you want.
So how will I get my own key if I can't afford to finish my studies?
We have the key and we have everything we want and that's not what it's all about. I also have the key.
You didn't work for that key. You were born with a golden key.
No, I'm confused because I don't know anymore when should I help and when should I leave it. And when I don't help, I'm accused of other things. So what am I to do?
At the conclusion on the debate, each person finds an insight, a piece of learning, a grain of truth. The sum of the individual insights in the group's wisdom. This wisdom is what we need to transform societal problems. It is a key to addressing the socio-economic divide.
I realized that we stood on the different sides of the riverbank and we said exactly the same things but from a different angle.
I realized that I've been judging a lot of people on one or two bad experiences that I've had and that I maybe need to do a bit of thinking about that.
It takes one person, you alone, to make that decision to join the forces with them.
I realize that I don't spend time with the people that I think I should help or that we can help each other.
I say all nice things and I want to help, but I find this kind of conversation really hard.
I'm still not doing what I have to do.
I realized that, maybe I need to just go back and reconnect with where I come from.
Maybe the only way to open the door is by the interaction, the engaging the other, and together using the two keys.
I think let's move away from thinking that because people are not working or because they are not rich, because they did not make it, it does not necessarily mean they're lazy. It's just that they do not get a break. I was given a break. Someone took their time to say, let me employ this young person even if they do not have skills. And ultimately I got skills. So for every one of us who can give at least one person a break, please do so.